Dear students, good morning. In this class, I want to discuss the exercise 2B problems. Okay, let us discuss exercise 2B. What is the first question in the exercise 2B? Find all the values of, find all the values of, find all the values of. He given how many? He given 5 questions. One of that 1 minus I root 3 power 1 by 3. Okay. So next remaining second one is minus I power 1 by 6. What is the third question? 1 plus I power 2 by 3. Fourth one minus 16 power 1 by 4. Fifth one minus 32 power 1 by 4. So what is the meaning of question here? So they are asking that find all the values of this, means it is called cubed root of the complex number 1 minus I root 3. This is what? Sixth root of minus I. This is 2 by 3 root of. Okay, mean third root of 1 plus I whole square. You can also read like that. Or fourth root of minus 16. Fifth root of minus 32. See, so what they're asking here, we are finding all the values, means already I told you that nth root of a complex number you have more than one. For cubed root means you have three answers, three values were existing. Sixth root means six values are existing answers. So all the values we are going to find. See, already in the previous session we discussed one theorem. What is the theorem? How to find nth root of a complex number. Okay, so let us recollect that topic concept. Then I am using that concept in all the problems. So what is that concept? For example, I want to find the nth root of any fifth root or sixth, any root, nth root of a complex number z0. First I am written that into polar form, that is r naught cos theta naught plus I sin theta naught. Okay, so then r naught is called mod of the z naught, modulus of the complex number z naught. Theta naught is the amplitude or argument, angle made by that line with positive x and anti-clockwise direction, that is called principal argument or amplitude. So generally we are taking principal argument. Already in the previous classes, first chapter I told you that how to find modulus and how to find theta naught, principal argument. So by that we can write polar form. So if you know r naught and theta naught, you can able to find that nth root. So by using the formula ak is equal to r naught power 1 by n cis of theta naught plus 2k phi by n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n minus 1. So total how many n values? So a naught, a1, a2 up to n minus 1, total n values were existing for nth root. So it is called nth root of the complex number z naught, means z naught power 1 by n, nth root of the complex number z naught is equal to ak. That is this. See, this is we done this concept to prove in the previous classes. So we done in the previous classes this theorem proof also. So go through that, you can understand the proof. So what is this ak means? It is these many values are existing for the given complex number to find that nth root. Now you can compare this formula for all the problems. Let us see the first problem. What is z naught here? For which complex number we are going to find that root? Here we are going to find z naught is what? 1 minus I root 3. So first write into polar form. What is r naught? What is theta naught for this complex number? Then you go to n equal to 3, because z naught power 1 by n equal to 3 means we are finding cubed root of the complex number. So how many values are existing? a naught, a1, a2, a1. a0, a1, a2 up to 3 values. Okay, so how? Let us see that the first problem by using these formulas. So for example, the z0 is 1 minus I root 3 can written as polar form, means r naught. What is r naught? Under root of x square plus y square, means under root 1 square plus root 3 whole square, root 4 means you are getting 2 cos of. Shall I write theta naught? See, principal argument of this complex number, theta is what? Tan inverse of y by x. So r is r, you got r naught here, under root 3 whole square means you are getting 2. Next, theta naught, how you are getting theta naught? Tan inverse of y by x mod. So again 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So theta naught you are getting as 5 by 3. But this complex number lies in which quadrant? Tell me. Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, the principal argument is minus theta naught. So I can written cos of minus 5 by 3 plus I sin of minus 5 by 3. So what is theta naught? Tell me here in the polar form, minus pi by 3. Okay, principal argument. R naught is 2. So now how to write that nth roots 1 minus I root 3 by using that formula power 1 by 3. N is equal to 3 here. What is n here? 3. Cubed root we are going to find. So by using the formula I can write ak is equal to R naught means what? Root 2 power 1 by 3. N is equal to 3 because cube root we are finding. Next, cis of theta naught. What is the angle theta naught here? Minus pi by 3. It is lies in fourth quadrant, so minus theta naught is the principal argument. Plus 2k pi is the common for by n. N means what? 3. Next, what is k varies from 0, 1, 2. Why? Because n minus 1, n equal 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer. So now final answer is what? What is equivalent to 2 power 1 by 3. Cis means what? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Yes, shortcut way. So you can take 3 as a LCM. What happened here? Minus pi plus 3 into 2. 6. 6 pi k by here. What is this? 3 into 3. We are getting what? 9. So I can take pi k as a common. So where k varies from 0, 1, 2, 3. So your answer is what now? So shall I write this as by like this? So what is this? I am simplifying 2 power 1 by 3 cis of pi taken as a common, then 6k minus 1 into pi by 9. Pi by 9 outside, then 6k minus 1. Understood? So where k is equal to what? 0, 1, 2. Only up to n minus 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is your answer. Yes? Yeah, correct. Next. What is the second question? See there. Just same concept, you have to go through the same meaning, same concept. What is this? So for which complex number we are going to find that complex number, find the polar form means you have to find modulus and the principal argument. By using that we have to substitute in this formula to get the nth root of the complex number. Here k varies from up to 0 to n minus 1. This is the form. Already we discussed the form in the previous class. Now what is the second question? Minus I power 1 by 6. Minus I power 1 by 6. So what is the complex number here? Minus I. So how to write minus I into polar form? Tell me. R naught means mod of minus I is 1 only. So theta naught means what? R naught is 1. Theta naught, tell me. Minus I. Minus I means 90. Minus I means it is in. So minus pi by 2. So it lies on negative y-axis. So theta naught is minus pi by 2. Is it? So then can written cos of minus pi by 2 plus I sin of minus pi by 2. You can simplify cos 90 0, sin 90 minus 990 minus 1. So minus I. You are getting the same thing. So R naught is 1, theta naught is minus pi by 2. What is n here? 6. So apply the formula here. Minus I power 1 by 6 is written as ak means it is equivalent to what? R naught power 1 by n. 1 power 1 by 6. Cis of theta naught. What is theta naught? Minus pi by 2 plus 2k phi by n. What is n? 6. Where k varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because n minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Just simplify. 1 power 1 by 6, 1 6 of Can simplify this, taking LCM as 2, 4. So minus 5 plus 4k pi by 6, 4 ja, 6 2 ja 12. So final answer is 6 of. So you can take pi by 12 outside, 4k minus 1 into pi by 12, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5. So this is your second answer. Understood? Same model you can do the remaining problems. Otherwise I can explain. So what is the second? So see this question you have the doubt. It's not like cubed root, fourth root, not 1 by n form. It is in which form? 2 by 3 form. Means 2 by 3. So I know 1 by 3 form, but what is 2 by 3 form? Just simplify still like this. For example, 1 plus I, how to write? Tell me. What is the polar form of 1 plus I complex number? Root 2, because r is under root x square plus y square, cos of, tell me here, what is the polar form 1 plus I? Theta is what? Tan inverse of y by x, 1 by 1 means pi by 4, first quadrant, so pi by 4 as it is, plus I sin pi by 4. This is what? Polar form of the complex number 1 plus I. So I am writing this as power 2 by 3. Okay, so this is also written as root 2 power 2 by 3. Okay, so root 2 power 2. First I take inside cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. I am taking power 2 inside, 1 by 3 outside. Both are same only. To get easily simplification I am doing like that. Root 2 power 2 means what? Tell me. 2 only, root 2 square. Next, this is we are applying what? De Moivre's theorem for integral index. Cos theta plus I sin theta all for n is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So n is equal to 2. So cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4 can written as cos 90 plus I sin 90 power 1 by 3. Now you know according to here. So what is the next step? Tell me immediately. So what we done in the previous? So 2 power 1 by 3, 2 power 1 by 3 as it is. Now for this complex number, cube root I want to find. 2 is what? Modulus, understood. Theta principal argument, what is the principal argument? Pi by 2. So what is our formula? 6 of pi by 2 plus 2k 5 by, what is the cube root? By n, where k is equal 0, 1, 2. So now simplify this, we will get answer 2 power 1 by 3 6 of 2 to the 4. So 5 plus 2 LCM. So 4k pi by 3 into 2 6. Simplification we are getting here 2 power 1 by 3 6 of 5 by 6 outside, you can written as a 4k plus 1 into pi by 6, where k is equal 0, 1, 2. So how many values? 3 values are existing here. So 2 power 1 by 3 6 of 4k plus 1 into 5 by 6. Next question. What is the next question say here? Minus 16. What is the next question? Fourth one. Minus 16 power 1 by 4. Let us go to minus 16 power 1 by 4. Tell me now. In this problem, minus 16 power 1 by 4 means, see already you know that 16 power 1 by 4 into minus 1 power 4. See the difference. 16 power 1 by 4 you know. What is 16 power 1 by 4? You can written 16 as 2 power 4. 4 cancel, so 2. So 16 power 1 by 4 is 2, because 16 can written as 2 power 4. 4 cancel. Now minus 1 whole power 1 by 4. I want to simplify fourth root of the complex number minus 1. Now for this, apply the same formula here. For this minus 1, what is the modulus? 1 only, because under root x square plus y square are getting 0. So we are getting 1. R naught power 1 by 4 6 of. Now tell me what is theta naught. Minus 1 means it lies on negative y axis, negative x axis is. So what is the angle here? Pi. Is it? So minus 1 means what? How to write? What is the principal argument? How to write into polar form minus 1 actually? So minus 1 can written as 1 into cos phi plus I sin phi. So what is principal argument theta naught? Pi. R is 1. So by that R naught power 1 by n cis of phi plus 2k 5 by 4. So where k is equal 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So final answer is 2 into cis of I can write directly 2k plus 1 common 5 by 4 where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. In this way we can solve this problem. Next one. Next last problem. What is that question? Minus 32 power 1 by 4. Very same as above. What will the first step? You can written as 32 power 1 by 5 into minus 1 power 1 by 5. 32 power 1 by 5 written as 2 because 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5 means you are getting 2 only. So now minus 1 power 1 by 5 have to simplify. Understood? So 2 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 5. So just now I told fifth root of the number minus 1. So for minus 1 if you write into polar form, what is r here? 1 only. So 1 power 1 by 4, just previous problem written. Theta naught is what? Pi. So that's why cis of theta naught is pi plus 2k 5 by 5. Why 5? Because fifth root I am finding. So theta naught plus 2k 5 by n where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because n minus 1, 5 minus 1. So your final answer is what? 2 into cis of 2k plus 1 into pi by 5 where k is equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your final answer. 2 cis 2k plus 1 to 5 by 5. So how many values? 4 values. If substitute k equal to 0, 1, k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k is equal to 3, k is equal to 4, like that you will get here. So this is your first bit problems. Let us go to second bit. What is the second bit? If A, B, C are angles of a triangle such that x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z is equal to cis C, then find the value of x, y, z. Yes. See, ABC are angles of a triangle means you know that the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Because in the triangle, if you do the sum of the angles, you are getting what? 180. A plus B plus C is equal to what? 5. 180 degrees. That you know since triangle. In the triangle, the sum of the angles should be 180 degrees. Next, x is equal to cis A, y is equal to cis B, z equal to cis D. Then find x, y, z. What is x, y, z? X is what? Cis A, cis B, cis C. What is the formula for cis A into cis B? Cis of A plus B. Similarly, cis A into cis B into cis C you can written as cis of A plus B plus C. Okay, because already I told you one property. What is that? Cis theta into cis alpha, you can written cis of theta plus alpha product, you can written sum of the angle. Already we proved and we take the note point of this. By using that note, I can write cis A, cis B, cis C, cis of A plus B plus C. But I know that A plus B plus C is equal to how much angle? 5. So cis pi is expanding as cos pi plus I sin pi. But I know that cos pi is -1 and sin pi is 0. So finally your answer is -1. So our answer is what? X, Y, Z is equivalent to -1. This is your answer. Yeah. Next question. Third week, first problem. If x is equal to cis theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Okay. Next, find the cube root of 8. So that I will discuss. First this question, let us see here. So x is equal to cis theta, then find the value of x power 6 plus 1 by 6. X power 6 means x is equal to cis theta. Then what is x power 6? Tell me. Cis theta power 6. Is it? Means what here? 6 already according to De Moivre's theorem for integral index, cis theta can power n can be written as cis of n theta. Otherwise, cis theta can written cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 6. This is equivalent to cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta by using De Moivre's theorem. You can also do like this, 6 theta, or you can otherwise you can do like this. So if you are confused, x power 6 means 6 in cos theta I sin, according to De Moivre's theorem, cos 6 theta plus I sin theta. What is 1 by x power 6? Means what? 1 by cis theta, 1 by cis theta power 6. Okay. So this is I can written as cis theta power -6. So cis theta means cos theta plus I sin theta power -6. Already one note point I given. This is equivalent to what? Cos 6 theta, because minus theta plus theta, sign of minus is minus sign, so minus I sin 6 theta. Already we discussed this note point. You can go through the previous sessions, so you can understand cos theta plus I sin theta for minus n is equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. So by using that I can get this. So now take LHS, x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is equal to, adding these two things, cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta. What is 1 by x power 6? Cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta minus I cancel. Let us see, cos 6 cos 2. 2 cos 6 theta. Okay. So I think this is your answer. 2 cos 6 theta. Correct. Okay. This is RHS. Next. What's our next problem? In this only you have the one more question. Find the cube roots of h. Cube roots of h. So I think for this I gave one note point. What is the note point? Did you remember in the previous class? What is the cube root of a real number a means? The answer is a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega and a power 1 by 3 omega square, where omega 1, omega square are cubed root of unity. Then the cubed root of a real number a is, the answer is a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by 3 omega, a power 1 by 3 omega square. If you apply that concept, what is a here? A is what here? 8. A power 1 by 3 means what here? 2. Is it? So a power 1 by 3, 2 omega power 2. So this is by using the note point. Otherwise we can do clearly like this. So how to do that in another way? What is the question? Cubed root of 8 means what? I want to find x is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. This is the question. I want to find x value such that cubed root of 8 means 8 power 1 by 3. Now I can simplify this taking cubing on both sides. x cube is equal to h. I can write like this. Yeah. Next, x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. What is the formula for a cube minus b cube? Anybody? A minus, this can written as x cube minus 2 cube equal 0. A cube minus b cube is equivalent to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you simplify, you get a cube minus b cube here. Okay. So now this is written as by using that formula x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I want to find x value. What is x value? Either this 0 or this 0. If x is equal to, either x is equal to 2 or x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. So x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0 means quadratic equation can able to find the roots by using minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So by using that formula here, minus 2 plus or minus under root 4 minus 16 can written as minus 12, that I can written 2 root 3 because 4 into 3. So this is 2i root 3 because minus 1 take outside, I will be get by 2 to common cancel, minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. Is it? Now I am writing this as multiply dividing by 2. What happened? Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Multiply and dividing by 2 here. So they are both are equal. Why? Because this is equivalent to omega power 2. So I can return this as how many roots you are existing here? That implies 1 is 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. This is equivalent to 2 omega. Next 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus minus I root 3 by 2. This is equivalent to 2 omega power 2. First one is x is equal to 2. Yes, x is equal to how many solutions you got? 3 roots. What are they? One is 2, another one is 2 omega, 2 omega power 2. Okay, so this is the first one is 2 in this way. But next one here 2 roots are existing, that is this. It is another terminology already you discussed. This is equivalent to cis 2 pi by 4, cis pi by 4. So that I already discussed in the theorem. First problem, minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2 is equivalent to omega. Minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 is equivalent to omega power 2. Already I discussed that. So that's why we can conclude that these are your solutions. Okay. So in way both ways, directly if you remember the note point, by that note point you can write directly by using this a is equal to I. Otherwise you can go to the step by step like this. Cube root of 8 means like that. So if you simplify, this is other terminology, 2 omega square. Understood? So let us go to the next problem. So what is our next problem? Third one completed. Now let us discuss the fourth, which if 1 omega square are cubed roots of unity, are the cube roots of unity, then prove that. What are they? We have to prove 1 by 2 plus omega plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega. I take LHS, I have to prove RHS. So in like that we have given three things. So first let us discuss the first problem. So what is the given information? 1 omega square are the cubed roots of unity, means we know that the sum of the cubed roots of unity is 0. 1 plus omega power 2. If you substitute here, you are getting the zeros, omega power 2 values. Already I told you the note point I given. Next, product means 1 into omega square, you got 1. Because 1 minus 1 whole power n minus 1, that is you are getting plus 1. Means you know that implies omega cube is equal to 1. I know these 2 points. Very important. By using these two, I can simplify. I can take LHS from to RHS or RHS from LHS. So whatever we do, I am using this thing. I am proving here. What is LHS? Let us see. 1 by 2 plus omega by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 omega. For this, I am taking the LCM. What is the LCM here? Let us see. 2 plus omega into 1 plus 2 omega. LCM. Now 2 plus omega, if you take like that, 1 plus 2 omega plus 1 plus 2 omega here, so 2 plus omega. What I am doing? LCM, just I am simplifying this. If you simplify, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 omega plus omega, 3 omega. Okay, by next multiplication, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 omega plus omega plus 2 omega square. So now 3 common, 1 plus omega numerator. What is the denominator? Denominator, if you simplify, you can observe here 2 plus 4 omega plus omega 5 omega plus 2 omega square. Now you can written again 3 into 1 plus omega by 2 into 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega. Now by using our relation, what I know the relation 1 plus omega power 3 equals 0 I know. So now I want 1 plus omega, that is equivalent to minus omega square. In the numerator I can replace 1 plus omega by minus omega power 2 by this. Similarly, 1 plus omega square is equivalent to minus omega. Is it? So now I am using that concept. I am substituting here 3 into minus omega power 2 in the numerator. In the denominator minus omega plus 5 omega. If you simplify, what happened here? So let us simplify. So what is the simplification? Minus 3 omega power 2 by here you can say minus 2 omega plus 5 omega. I can written 3 omega. Understood? So I can say minus 2 omega. Now 3 cancel. 3 cancel. You are getting what? Minus omega square by omega. Okay. If you multiply dividing by, so what have to prove RHS? 1 by 1 plus omega. Okay. So what I am doing here, if you multiply dividing by omega, what happened here? If I multiply dividing by omega, multiplication and division by omega means minus omega cube by omega square. This is equivalent to minus 1 by omega square. So omega cube is 1. Since omega cube is equal to 1. Next, omega power 2. What is omega power 2? Shall I write omega power 2 as minus of 1 plus omega? Because 1 plus, you know that. What you know? 1 plus omega square equal to 0 means what is omega power 2? Minus of 1 plus omega. So I can replace this omega cube 1. I am substituting omega power 2 is replaced by minus 1 plus omega. Omega power 2 I replaced by minus of 1 plus omega. Minus into minus plus. So we got 1 by 1 plus omega. This is our required RHS. So if you take LHS, we proved our RHS. Done. So similarly, you have 2 more problems. By using that relations, we can do these 2 problems. So what are they? 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, omega 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11 is equal to 49. I have to take LHS. Let us do the proof RHS. So what is the LHS here? Let us see. So in the LHS, first I want to simplify 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega power 2, 2 minus omega power 10, 2 minus omega power 11. First simplification form. How to simplify 2 minus omega square? I can written as omega power 10 as omega. Why? Because omega power cube is 1. Omega power whole cube is 1 cube. So omega power 9 is 1. Multiple of 3 are 1 only. So omega power 9 into omega. Omega power 9 is 1. So omega is left. Similarly here 2 minus omega square is left. Okay. Now you can simplify this. 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega square whole square, or you can simplify as usual, that's your wish. 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega, 2 minus omega square. Next 2 minus omega square into 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega square. Okay. A square plus b square minus 2ab means 4. B square minus 2ab 4 omega. Next here 4. Next a square plus b square minus 2ab 4 omega. Then 4 here. So how to simplify? So what I have to prove? I want to do the simplification here. 4 plus omega square minus 4 omega. So into here you can return this omega cube, na? Omega cube can return omega. Omega 4 can return as omega cube into omega. So 4 plus omega minus 4 omega square. So how to simplify? I need a simplification form. Let us see here. So 4 into 4, but again it will be lengthy, na? I think it's better to do direct here only calculation instead of that. Is it? Otherwise still I can any simplification here. For example, 1 plus omega square. Omega square can written as okay. Omega square can written as minus 1 minus omega. Is it? Substitute here minus 1 minus omega. Next if I do here again omega square is minus 1 minus omega. If you substitute, what happened? 4 minus 1 minus omega minus 4 omega. Next 4 plus omega minus into minus plus 4 plus 4 omega. Now 4 minus 1 3. So 3 minus 4 omega minus omega minus 5 omega. Next here 4 plus 4 8 5 omega. So what I am doing here, multiplication. 3 into 8, 3 5 ja 15 omega minus 5 8 ja 40 omega. Next minus into plus into minus minus 25 omega power 2. Okay, so I can return this again 24 15 omega minus 40 omega can written as minus 26. If I take this as a 25 minus 25 omega minus 25 omega square. Okay, now 24 minus 25 is common, omega plus omega square. But I know that omega plus omega square is equivalent to minus 1 because omega are cube root of unity, satisfy the relation. Then 24 minus 25 minus 1 minus into minus plus. So 24 plus 25 can written as 49. So what's your answer here? 49. RHS. See, otherwise you can also simplify directly here. I think you get very easily. Means you have to multiply 2 to the 4, 2 omega square omega. I think you can take the common there. You can easily get the simplification instead of this. Here I done like 2 omega. So again it will be lengthy. We are using this concept. is it? So then you get the answer, but my suggestion is, if I do directly this problem I am doing directly here, I think you may get simplification easily. Let us see. So 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega power 2. 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega power 2, again 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega power 2. I think this only. If you do the simplification, 2 2 ja 4, minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega, minus into minus plus omega cube. Similarly multiply these two. 2 2 ja 4, minus 2 omega square minus 2 omega, minus into minus omega cube. So now omega cube is 1 4 plus 1 5. So minus 2 common, omega square plus omega. Next to 4, omega cube is 1 4 plus 1 5, minus 2 common, omega square plus omega. Okay, so then here I think it is easy, no? Other than that, minus 2, what is omega square plus omega value? Minus 1. Similarly 5 minus 2 minus 1. So you are getting 5 minus into minus plus, so 5 plus 2 7. Here also 7 7 7 is 49. See what I am doing, simplification I am telling. See here I done 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega whole square, 2 minus omega square into, so I like that I done. If I go through that, you got the answer, but what I am telling, instead of that, if I do directly simplification, what I done, the first, here I am doing multiplication of these two, multiplication of these two. Here you can observe the step here, 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square, 2 minus omega into, I am multiplying these two here, I am multiplying these two here, then I did the simplification by using the relation. So multiply, you got easily the answer. That only I am telling. Anyway you can do, you are getting the same answer. Okay, what's our third question? X plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega power 2, x plus y omega square plus z omega, LHS. We have to prove RHS, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Is it? So just simplification, you go through that here. Go through the simplification. So how to do the simplification? Let us see. Okay, yeah. So what is our LHS? Take LHS, x plus y plus z into x plus y omega plus z omega 2, x plus y omega power 2 z omega. You take LHS. How to take LHS? X plus y plus z as it is. Just I am simplifying these two. How to simplify? X square plus xy omega square plus xz omega. Next plus y omega, multiply everything. Y omega x plus y square omega cube plus y z omega power 2. Next z omega square x plus zy omega power 4 plus z square omega cube. So now I'm substituting omega cube is equal to 1 plus omega square equals 0. Those relations I can simplify, you will get the RHS. So here let us see x square as it is. Now y square, is there any, y omega cube is 1 now, so I can written as y square as it is. Similarly here z square, omega cube is 1. Okay, 3 terms are completed. Next xy you can take common, xy common, omega square. Next any term is there, xy omega square plus omega. Next yz take common, yz here omega 2. Next yz omega power 4. Omega power 4 is equivalent to omega, so I can write directly omega. Next zx or xz, xy plus yz plus zx. What is zx? Zx omega. Next zx omega power 2. Again omega power 2. So by using the relation 1 plus omega square equals 0, omega plus omega square is equivalent to minus 1. is it? So by that relation I can directly, I got the RHS, that is x plus 5 plus z into x square plus y square plus z square. I am substituting here xy into minus 1 na? Plus yz into minus 1 plus zx into minus 1. So finally x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. If you multiply these two, means do the simplification, you will get the answer is, if x cube plus y cube plus z cube, if you simplify minus x square y plus yz square, if you do on simplify, finally you get the RHS x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy cube. This is your RHS. Okay, so if you simplify these, do multiplication, you get the directly RHS. So in this way we proved LHS, from LHS to RHS. Next question, fifth bit. What is our fifth bit question? Prove that minus omega power 2 are the roots of the equation z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0, where omega and omega square are complex cubed roots of unity. I know that omega and omega power 2 are the cubed root of unity. We know that. Okay. So by using that, first you know that z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. We know that where omega is cubed root of unity means minus 1 plus, only plus. So minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. What is omega power 2? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So here this is omega and omega power 2. So z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0 means this is the equation. How to find the roots? Let us see the formula. Minus b means minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root b square means 1 minus 4ac by 2a. So a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. So by using the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a formula, I can get 1 plus or minus minus 3 by 2. This is equivalent to 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Minus 1 I can take outside, that is equivalent to I. So what happened here? This is I can written as minus of, I am written as 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 as. So this is our required, is it? So I can written like this, minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. What happened here? You can observe that 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 means 1 plus I root 3 by 2. See, from this you can observe that, okay, I am writing individually. 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and 1 minus I root 3 by 2 are the roots of the given equation. Okay, so 1 plus I root 3 I can written as minus of minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Shall I write like that? Because minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, I can write like that. Yeah. Okay, next this is also I can written as minus into minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Why? Minus into minus plus sign, minus into minus plus, and minus into plus minus. So I am writing the same thing. This is written like this. This is I am written like this. Okay, so 1 plus I root 3 by 2 I am written in another way, minus of minus 1 minus I root 3. If you simplify this, again we are getting the previous one, same thing above. if you writing this thing in another way, that is minus of minus plus I root. If you do minus into minus plus I and minus into plus minus I root 3 by 2. Why? Because this is, you know that this is what minus omega power 2 and minus omega are the. This is equivalent to what? Omega. This is equivalent to omega power 2. Is it? That's why. So I am writing this. You know that omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, omega power to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, since cube roots of unity. Already we know that. So I am writing the whatever the roots we are getting converted in terms of omega and omega power 2. So if I converted in terms of this is minus omega power 2, this is minus omega. Hence final like and conclusion that minus omega and minus omega power 2 are the roots of the equation z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. Z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So we concluded that these are the roots of the equation. So minus omega and minus omega power 2 are the roots of the equation z square minus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, that we discussed. Because just whatever, actually according to quadratic equation you got the roots like this, but I converted these roots in terms of omega and omega power 2. What is the relation? So if you observe the relation, you got that this is equivalent to minus omega, also this is equivalent to minus omega power 2. So these are the roots. This is your fifth problem. Okay. Still you have the sixth bit. So let us discuss sixth bit questions. Okay. Otherwise, shall we discuss the sixth bit in the next session? So 1 omega and omega square are the. So what is the question actually? 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. Then find the values of the following. So I will discuss just two questions, remaining you can try, otherwise we will discuss in the next session. A plus b whole cube, a omega plus b omega power 2 whole cube plus a omega power 2 plus b omega whole cube. Okay. How to simplify this? Let us see. First, a plus b whole cube is directly, you can no need of simplification here. A plus b cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3ab square, that like that you have to simplify. Otherwise here a into you can observe that a omega plus b omega square whole cube, again a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3ab into a plus b. Here also a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. I think if you expand that, you may get the answers. Okay. So how to do this? How to simplify? So let us discuss just one problem remaining in the next session. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, or 3ab into a plus b, whatever. Next, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b means 3ab 3a square omega square into omega cube. So 3a square b means you can written here omega power 4 plus 3ab square means a omega b omega means a b square omega power 5. According to the formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3ab square, or 3ab into a plus b. Like that also you can write. So there will directly a cube omega power 6 plus b cube omega power cube. Next plus 3ab means 3a square b means a square omega power 4 into omega, so omega power 5. Next 3ab square means a as it is b square, so omega square omega power 4. Now substitute the values and simplify. A cube plus b cube as it is. So 3a square b 3ab square. Okay. So now what I am doing, 3a square b I took common. 3a square b 1 here, 3a square b anywhere, 3a square b here. See, omega cube is equal to 1 here. Next, omega power 6 also 1. Okay, total how many a cubes are there? A cube plus a cube plus a cube, 3a cube you will get. Similarly, b cube. B cube omega power 6 means 1. So b cube is there, b cube is there. Next, here omega cube is 1, so b cube. So how many b cubes? 3 b cube. Okay. So next 3a square be common. For 3a square be 1 plus here omega power 4 can written as omega. Next 3a square b omega power 5 can written as omega power 2. Similarly 3a b square common 1 plus omega power 5 can written as omega power 2. Omega power 4 can written as omega 3a b square. Remaining completed. But I know 1 plus omega square value 0 because root of unity. So final answer is 3a cube plus 3b cube plus 3a square b into 0 plus 3ab square into 0. So finally we got this is 0. So we can written 3 into a cube plus b cube. This is the answer. So just simplify by using the things. So you can do the second problem also, a plus 2b whole square. So this is using that. So how to do the second problem here, a plus 2b whole square plus a omega square plus 2b omega whole square plus a omega plus 2b square 2b omega square whole square. See, do this by using the formula a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula? You know, a square plus b square plus 2ab. By using that formula you can expand each and every term. Then by using the properties you can simplify. Okay, so then you will get the answer here. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab, can apply that. Similarly, the next problems, 1 minus omega plus omega square cube, 1 minus omega. So next 4 problems are there. So those things I will discuss in the next session. Okay, otherwise shall we go through now? Okay, let us see that. So what is that here? A square plus 4b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, na? Yeah, next a square omega square means omega power 4 a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 to the 4a omega cube, 4ab omega cube. Next a square plus b square, a square omega square plus 4b square omega power 4 a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 to the 4, 4ab omega cube. Okay, now apply the form a square plus 4b square. Okay, here also you can take a square common. So how to take a square common? A square. What is a square? Omega power 4. You can see here a square is 1. Omega power 4 means omega. You know already. Next a square is there any term? Yeah, omega square. Similarly b square if you take common. 4b square if you take common. 1 plus. What is 4b square? Omega power 2. 4b square omega power 4 means can written as omega. Next, similarly 4ab you can take common. 4ab omega cube is 1 only. 4ab omega cube is 1 only. So I can written as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this value 0. A square into 0 plus 4b square into 0 plus 4ab into 3. So your answer is 12ab. Understood? Yeah. So will you do the remaining things? Let us see. 1 minus omega plus omega power 2 power cube. So how to simplify this? See, very easy. What is the value of 1 plus omega square? 1 plus omega square I can written as minus omega. because 1 plus omega square is 0 na. From that I can write 1 plus omega square is minus omega. So you can written this as minus 2 omega whole cube. So minus 2 cube means minus h. Omega cube is 1. So your answer is minus h. Okay. Next. What is the next question? Here you can observe that 1 minus omega into 1 minus omega power 2, 1 minus omega power 4, 1 minus omega power 8. So I can written the very easy like 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega cube, omega power 4 can written as again omega. Already I told you. Next omega power 8 can written as omega power 6 into omega power 2, omega power 6 value 1. So omega power 2. What I am doing again multiplication here. This multiplication 1 minus 1 into 1 minus omega square minus omega plus omega cube. Similarly, this multiplication 1 minus omega square minus omega plus omega cube. But I know that omega cube is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus of omega plus omega square. Similarly, omega cube is 1 plus 1, 2 minus of omega plus omega square. But I know that omega plus omega square is minus 1. So that's why I can simplify easily here. So I'm going to simplify here. 2 minus omega plus omega square minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. So plus 1 here. 3 into 3 you got has 9. Okay. So next last question. So we can finish this job exercise also. Please cooperate. So what is the next question? A plus b omega plus c omega power 2 by c plus a omega plus b omega power 2 plus, so a plus b omega plus c omega power 2 by b plus c omega plus a omega power 2. So just I want to simplify this. First I want to simplify this, multiply dividing by omega power 2. So if I multiply dividing by omega power 2, a plus b omega plus c omega square, multiply and dividing also. In the if I do dividing omega square, c plus a omega plus b omega square. Similarly here also multiply dividing by omega power 2. So what I am doing here, let us see. Because if you simplify this, so here in the numerator I keep as it is omega square as it is, but in the denominator I am multiplying inside. If you denominator multiply omega square into c, c omega square into a omega cube is 1, so a plus omega square into omega power 4, b omega power 4 means omega. So similarly here omega square I am multiplying numerator, but here denominator I keep as it is, 1 by omega square as it is. So into b plus c omega plus a omega square, and multiply the numerator. To multiply numerator, a omega square, next omega square into omega cube. So b omega cube is 1. Next c omega power 4 is omega. So what happened here, you can observe that a plus b omega plus c omega square, a plus b omega plus c omega, both are cancelled. Next here also a omega square plus b plus c omega, a omega square plus b plus c omega, both are cancelled, numerator and denominator. Now easily you got the answer here, omega square plus 1 by omega square, is it? Because the numerator and denominators are cancelled here. Here omega square is left, here 1 by omega square is left. So now multiply dividing by here. For example, for this if you multiply dividing by omega, what happened? You are getting as omega by omega cube. But omega cube is what? 1. So this written as omega square plus 1 omega by 1. Omega cube is 1. So denominator is 1. So for omega plus omega square can written as minus 1. So what is your answer now? Minus 1. So this is your fifth question. Okay. So next last problem, last sixth one and seventh two problems. So what are they? 1 plus omega cube plus 1 plus omega square cube. See what happened here, 1 plus omega can written as minus omega square, is it? Because I know that 1 plus omega square is 0, by that minus omega square cube is equal to 1 plus omega square can written as minus omega cube. So minus omega square means minus omega power 6 plus minus omega cube, but I know that omega power 6 is 1 omega cube also. 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. The last problem. So what is the last question? 1 minus omega plus omega square power 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega power 2 power 5. So I can simplify this as it is. How to simplify? 1 plus omega square can written as minus omega power 5 plus again 1 plus omega can written as minus omega square. By using this relation I am doing. Next minus omega square as it is. So nothing here. Minus omega minus 2 omega power 5. Next minus 2 omega power 2 whole power 5. So can written as minus 2 power 5 means minus 32. So minus 32 omega power 5 means omega square plus minus 32 omega power 10 means omega because omega 9 is 1. So minus 32 common, you can written omega square plus omega, but omega square plus omega is equivalent to what? Minus 1. That's why your answer is minus into minus plus. So final answer is 32, correct. So this is your exercise 2B first bit problems. In the next sessions we will discuss the second bit and third bit. Thank you.